Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the template letter section of the TRAC website to write a letter to a landlord. Okay, so this is the home page, and you're going to scroll down here to template letters and just click here. And here they are. And I'm going to ask you to write a template letter asking for repairs to something in your unit. So you're going to go down and then you're going to find the letter that is, for example, here, request for repairs. Click on request for repairs, then choose the link here, and it's going to open up a Word document. You're going to say yes or okay. Okay, then you're going to hang on a second. Sorry. You're going to, here you are, you're going to click Enable Editing. Oh, it looks like my computer's nice and slow right now. I'm just going to maximize that. You're going to enable editing so that you can edit this. Okay. Here, it's asking me to enable content because otherwise I can't. Oh, can I? Yeah, I can. So, just go back. Okay. So, this is a template letter. In a template letter, the whole letter is already written for you except for a few sections. So all of these highlighted sections, these ones that are shaded, those ones are the ones that you have to fill in. Okay? So you're going to click on that highlighted area and then you're going to type what you need to type in. Okay? You're going to type in your name. Here, insert your name. So you're going to put your first and last name. You put your address in. So I'm going to put in the school's address. Oops. And the city. Now be careful that you're using capitals where you need to have capitals, and small letters where you need to have small letters, and spaces where you need to have spaces. So here, the postal code V5J1G5. And then insert your landlord's name. So the instructions I gave you were for, here it is. Your landlord's name is Mr. Henry Black, and then this is his address. So I'm just going to make that smaller, minimize that, so now I can read both. I could even probably just cut and paste. Cut and paste. Oh, that didn't like that. Now I have a there. Insert his address. I can cut and paste again here. Oh, I'm not going to do that because it changes the font. So I'm just going to go back and I'm going to do this myself so that the font size stays the same. So Mr. Henry Black, and his street address is 101 1122 Salisbury Avenue, and the city is Burnaby. Oops, go back, didn't like that. And the postal code for him is V5J3K9. And here I'm going to put in his name again. So Mr. Henry Black. I'm going to put first name and last name. Okay. And then your job here is to write, it says here, this letter is a written request for the following repairs. So I want you to imagine that you have something in your unit that needs to be repaired. So you're going to write down what the problem is. So here it says insert description of what needs to be repaired. So here is where you start to write. Okay. So maybe it's a blocked toilet. Maybe it's a stove that doesn't work. Maybe the ceiling fan is broken. Maybe a closet door is broken. Okay, whatever it is that you want to notify the landlord about repairing, you write a description here. And then when you get to here, you're going to put in a reasonable date that you want that done by. So you're going to, for example, if it's a toilet, well, that's something that you want fixed pretty quickly so that you can use your toilet. If it's something that doesn't need to be repaired really quickly, you can maybe think about giving it a few more days. So here you're going to put the date in, and then at the bottom you're going to sign it, and then here you're going to write your name again. Okay. All right, then after you've done that, you're going to, so just make sure that you've written something here and that you've written in the date. Okay, I have another example of a letter that's ready to go. So then you're going to File, Save As, save it to your computer onto your desktop, okay, and change the name so that it is your name. For example, Request for Repairs, Albana or Victoria, okay? And then you're going to submit it as an assignment to me. All right, so I'm just going to show you the sample letter that I've already written. Here. So here's the letter that I've written. You saw me put all of this in, and then here I've included a description of the problem. My refrigerator has stopped working. It has not worked since yesterday morning. I noticed that it was not on at 7 a.m. on Wednesday, November 28th, 2018. The refrigerator is plugged in and the breaker is on. It doesn't seem to be an electrical problem. I think the refrigerator itself is broken. My refrigerator and freezer are full of food and I'm worried that they will spoil soon. So there's the description that I've written of the problem. And then here I have put in the date, Monday, December 3rd, 2018. I've signed it using the computer. You would not do that. You would sign it with a pen and print it out for your landlord. But in this circumstance, I want you just to practice writing the letter and submitting it to me for feedback. All right, I hope that explains how to do this, and good luck.